In this tutorial, I'm going to give you a basic overview of how to create a chart of accounts in Acumatica. Now, this is a two-step process. The first step is modifying the account segmented key, and the second step is uploading your GL accounts. We'll cover that in a separate video. Let's start by going to the configuration module, and we're going to open up the segmented keys feature. A segmented key in Acumatica defines the structure of identifiers for the various objects. So this could be general ledger accounts, sub-accounts, customer accounts, and warehouses. In the summary area, you can set the segmented key ID and description. For this tutorial, it's very simple. We're just going to select an account from the segmented key ID dropdown, and then the key is predefined for the GL accounts. The next column will automatically update when we enter the values for the segmented key. In the table area, you can customize the segmented values for your particular business. In our example, we're just going to choose 5. You'll likely want a different setup for your business, so use the Acumatica user's guide if you want to get more details, or you can just reach out to someone who is an Acumatica expert, and they will be able to help walk you through this. For now, let's click Save. And then let's go to the next video where we talk about uploading the company's GL accounts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.